She's not going to survive without her mum, is she?
No, she's gonna die.
No, why? I've never seen a baby pigeon.
It's not a pigeon.
It's not a pigeon. It's not the back looks like a pigeon.
So cute. What are you gonna do with it?
Oh, you better not him.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know.
I think there's only one thing to it. What? It's a visit from Dr. Foot.
Dr. Foot? Oh no, come on.
Be careful.
I think you need to.
Where is he?
You have to take it home and feed it yourself.
Yeah, but we are tourists.
It's your responsibility now.
You feed it insects.
RSPCA.
You just get some beetles.
How do we
feed
call
it? Look after yourself.
Shall I call the RSPCA?
RSPCA?
Yeah.
C'est pas like saying.
Elle est où sa mère? Elle peut pas descendre.
You can't just leave it here, can you?
So it actually fell all the way down and survived.
Nothing
Come on, Jim, let's roll.
Sparrow. Don't know what it is. Of course, it'll be like adults around us. Never seen it. It's gonna fall out. Well, you know you're not going to leave it. Huh? You can't leave it. Well, that was a dinky little bird. It was that big. It was in the palm of her hand. Believe it or not, that pigeon just fell out of the sky. Well, not out of the sky, out of a tree. And we'd never seen a baby pigeon before. We didn't know what to do with it. So I suppose someone had to take charge of it. And I think it was a baby pigeon. Do you know if it was a baby pigeon? And if it was a baby pigeon, let me know, because I haven't got a clue. You know, I don't know a lot about birds, well, those birds with wings, and it would seem interesting. So do send me an email, do let me know. Thanks.